Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be doing a full face makeup look using only e.l.f. products. So this video is a collab with my YouTube friend Sophia Kendall. She's also posting a full face using only e.l.f. products on her channel at the same time as my video. So if you want to watch her video, which I highly recommend you do, I'm going to link it down below. She is so talented at makeup, so fun to watch, so definitely check her out. I'm so excited to be doing this. I've never done a full face of only one brand before, and I love e.l.f., so I have high expectations for how this look is going to turn out. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start out by doing my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm trying to decide between using my primer or my concealer, because I don't have a specific eye primer. And I think I'm going to go with my primer because this is a pretty good primer, but this is not a pretty good concealer. So I feel like I'm going to have better luck using the primer. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit. And this is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And for my eyeshadow look today, I'm of course going to be using my e.l.f. Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette. And I say of course because I just tried this out on my channel yesterday, loved it, and I did tease that I was going to be using it in this video, and so I am so excited. Sophia and I decided to do a holiday inspired makeup look using all of these e.l.f. products, and I don't have like your classic reds and greens in this palette, but I was thinking of doing just a general festive holiday, maybe even like New Year's type of look. So I want to use a lot of the shimmers and maybe make this kind of like a golden eyeshadow look. Let's see what I can do. I'm going to start out by just setting this primer and putting a light shade over my entire eyelid. So I'm going to go in with this flesh color here. This palette is, I believe, the most expensive product that I'm going to be using in this video, and it only costs $14 for this big, really nice palette. And then I think because I want to do somewhat of a gold look, I'm going to take this shade here as my crease shade. This is called Saucy. But yeah, I just love how inexpensive e.l.f. makeup products are. I also love that they are all cruelty-free. I actually do like this shade in the crease. I wasn't too sure. Honestly, I never really work with yellow toned eyeshadows. So going a bit out of my comfort zone today, but happy about it. Now, I think that I am going to start out by taking this spicy shade here. This is a shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply that all over, I would say 3/4 of my eyelid, leaving the inner corners blank. I love this color. It's so beautifully sparkly. I can't believe that Christmas is only 2 days away. Alright, this is definitely looking a bit more orangey than gold. I'm not really getting much of a Christmas or New Year's holiday feel. I'm going to go in with this low-key shade here. Wow, so this shade is looking very pink on my eyelid. Even though it looks white in the pan, it does come off with a lot of pink shimmer. So this is actually kind of looking more of like a fall, even a summertime, like sunset type of look. I mean, I really like it. I like these colors together, but not my best attempt at a holiday eyeshadow look. Into the outer V and into the crease a little bit, I'm going to take this brown shade here. This is called Warm. Okay, you know what? I like these colors together. I like how it looks. I would probably wear this for either Christmas or New Year's Eve just because I like how it looks. So I'm gonna go with it. I'm going to say that this is my holiday look because I really would wear it for the holidays. But I'm definitely excited to see what Sophia does and if hers is a bit more traditional. Then to finish off this eye look, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner. I tried this out on my channel so long ago. And I will definitely link in the description box all of my reviews on the products. So if you want more detail on a specific product that I'm using, check out those videos. At this point, I can't remember how much I paid for this eyeliner, but I'm pretty sure it was very inexpensive. And it's definitely like not the best liquid eyeliner, but it's definitely workable. Wow, yeah, I really feel like this eyeliner is drying out on me because it claims to be an intense ink eyeliner, and this is not very black at all. It's not very intense. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm actually going to go in with my e.l.f. Keep Your Curl Mascara that I reviewed today, and I love this mascara so much. I actually bought e.l.f. fake eyelashes that I was going to use in this video, but I don't even feel like I need fake eyelashes with this mascara. I'm going to just apply the mascara, see how I think it looks with the eye makeup, and decide whether or not I feel like it needs lashes. Even though it's true that lashes do always, in my opinion, complete a look and take it to that next level. Okay, I'm feeling like my eyes are looking pretty glamorous right now. I'm happy with how this look is going. I'm going to leave my eyes like this for now. Maybe I'll go back in with some more mascara later on, maybe add those lashes. I'll figure it out as I go. But now I'm going to move on to the face. So I'm going to start out with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. I'm pretty sure this is one of the first primers I ever used. And I'm pretty sure I just like went onto Ulta and looked up primer, and this was one of the first ones that came up that had high ratings. It was affordable. And since this, I've tried a lot of different primers, but this one is still so good in my opinion. I know a lot of people who, I'm pretty sure the e.l.f. primers were their first primers they ever used. It's a really good starter primer, and it's a really good continuing primer. Okay, so now I can move on to foundation. And of course, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Wow, I think I'm almost out of this foundation. And one thing I don't have is e.l.f. makeup tools, so I'm just using my regular foundation brush. And I wonder if e.l.f. makes makeup tools. I'm sure they do. If you've tried any of them, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are, because I would love to try some out. Also, I'm pretty sure e.l.f. does skincare products, only because I've like seen them on other people's YouTube videos before. I've never tried them out before myself, but I would be so interested too, because I love skincare and I really trust the brand e.l.f. So I trust that they would make some good skincare. That's another thing. If you've tried any of their skincare, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, my foundation is applied, and now I'm going to go in with concealer. And for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Conceal and Highlight Duo. I'm pretty sure I got this from the dollar store. And for a dollar store duo concealer highlighter, it's pretty good, but it's not as good as the concealers that I'm used to. I'm sure e.l.f. makes some better concealers than this, but I'm gonna make do with this one. It's not terrible. But what I do is I mix the two together to make it a little bit more brightening. It's just like pretty thin too, so not great coverage. Yeah, I can tell that this would not have worked very well as a eyeshadow primer, but actually, speaking of eyeshadow primer, that face primer worked out pretty well for my eyelids. I feel like the eyeshadow is blended well on top of it. It's not really creasing or anything like that, so that's good. I just realized I don't have a setting powder from e.l.f, so I'm not going to be able to set my under eyes or my face because I only want to use e.l.f products. But my under eyes, the concealer is actually drying down and it's not creasing that bad, so I'm just going to leave it. And my skin is really dry today, so maybe not setting it with a powder is going to be better for my skin anyways, to just wear my foundation like this. But now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I really like this brow pencil. It's so affordable, and I love the results it gives. Really easy to work with. I just realized I don't have a brow gel either. And this pencil, it's nice, but it doesn't really keep my long, unruly brow hairs in place. But so even though I'm missing those two products that I think would be good for my makeup look, it's not going to change the look of it, so those are okay to leave out for today. Even though now I really want to try an e.l.f. setting powder, oh my gosh, wait. I used to have an e.l.f. setting powder. It was the first setting powder I ever used, and I used it up completely. I forgot. Yeah, that was actually a really good powder. But then an e.l.f. brow gel. I don't think I've ever tried that, but I really want to. Now I'm going to go on to contour and bronze my face using the e.l.f. bronzer palette, which is also one of my recent purchases that I love. I really liked how this red undertone brown shade looked on my skin. So I think that's the one I'm going to use for my entire face today. But I love that I have all of these different bronzer shades now though, because if I'm going to do makeup on someone else, maybe one of the other shades would work better for them. That's something I really want to get into more as another New Year's resolution for 2019 is to get better at doing other people's makeup and just like practice doing other people's makeup more. Like in 2018, I feel like I really improved on my own makeup skills. And there's definitely improvement to be made, but I also really want to start practicing on other people. And I don't even know if that's something like I would want to pursue, but maybe. I'm pretty sure that Sophia does makeup on other people, and I just think that's such an amazing skill. Okay. Now that I have that bronze, that glow, I feel like I'm looking a lot better. It's amazing the difference that makes. Now moving on to another e.l.f. product that I love and I use very, very often. This is the e.l.f. blush, and I actually got this at the dollar store and I've gotten such great use out of it. It's a really light shade, but it has sparkle in it. So it's subtle, but then it also has a little bit of like shine and glow. I feel like I'm surprised a lot of times by what blush shades actually look good on me, because I think a lot of times I choose a blush based off of what color I think is prettiest, and I love pinks and I love bright pinks, but so when like a light pink or more of a mauve tone actually looks good, I'm like, whoa, I wouldn't have expected that, but mostly just because it's not what I'm drawn to color-wise. So this was definitely one of those scenarios. Another product that I really love that I just purchased, this is the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I am already obsessed with this. It's so good. And I'm so excited to be using it in today's video. I think it's going to look so good with this makeup look, especially with that blush I just applied and then the orangey eye look I have going on. I just always need to have this on my cheek. It looks so beautiful. So I still have no idea what I'm gonna do for New Year's Eve. I can't decide if I want to go into the city with my friends, if I want to do nothing, or what, but I really want to wear beautiful makeup and show it to the world, so I should do something for New Year's Eve, but I don't know, it's like such a hassle. Let me know in the comments down below what you are planning to do for New Year's. Maybe I can get some ideas and inspiration. And then I need to just incorporate some of this highlight into the eyeshadow look and to highlight the brow bone. Oh, beautiful. I knew that e.l.f. products would not let me down, that this would turn into a beautiful makeup look, but we're not done yet. Another one of my favorite products. I didn't even realize how many of these products were some of my absolute favorites, but so this is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and I have it in the shade Sparkling Rosé. This is probably my favorite lip gloss. And I love the touch of color. It's such a perfect like nude pink shade that really complements a lot of makeup looks. I actually already own a bunch of e.l.f. lip products, but this is the one I wanted to choose for this video because I love it so much. It's so affordable and it's a big lip gloss. This is luckily going to be able to last me a long time. I really should stock up on this because I love it so much. So if you want a great plumping lip gloss, I highly recommend this. I'm pretty sure someone recommended this to me as well, so passing that recommendation along. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this is looking. These are the lashes that I got. These are the Luxe Lash Kit in Starstruck, so they look really nice, but I think I'm gonna save these for a future video because I don't even feel like this makeup look needs these lashes. I am just gonna go in with one more coat of mascara because why not? Okay, it's that time in the video where I can take my hair down and then move in slow motion to show off my final look. So the look, in my opinion, really came together. It started out looking a little crazy, especially with the color combination I went for, but I'm happy with this. I think that this look could go from the holidays to a night out to any occasion. It's actually more wearable than I was expecting, and it's probably something that I will do again, recreate for just going out, going to dinner, anything like that. I can't wait to watch Sophia's video. I can't wait to see what look she came up with for her holiday inspiration. So make sure you go check out her video. And I want to thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I upload a new video every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.